Hello everybody, my name is Hamed Gholam Rezai. Welcome to this lesson. My name is Hamed Gholam Rezai from Guri Architecture Academy. In this section, we will review the new features of SketchUp 2022. The first new tool is the search option. We can access this tool from the Getting Start section. We can search for any tool in this section and find it easily. This is the first new feature of SketchUp 2022. The next very important tool is Lasso Select, a new mode for selecting subjects in the viewport. If you remember, the shortcut button of the select tool was space. The lasso select tool shortcut is shift plus space. Using the lasso select tool is very simple, but it also has important rules. The selection direction is very important in both the select tool and lasso select tool. If we move the mouse from the right to the left, all the subjects or all the objects inside the box will be selected. But if we move the mouse from left to right, only subjects are selected that are 100% inside the box. For example, if we move the mouse from left to right, only cars that are 100% inside the frame will be selected.